So how much does it cost to hire a foreclosure attorney? Hi, I'm attorney Sean Mays with the Mays Law Firm, and I help consumers with debt and foreclosure issues throughout Pennsylvania. Probably one of the most frequent questions that I get asked is how much does it cost? And there really is no set answer. Now, you might be saying that it's all a trick, that lawyers won't tell you how much it costs to try to lure you into an expensive product. But the reality is, every case is different. Some lawyers charge an hourly rate, and the pro to that is that you only pay for the work that you have done in your case. Now, obviously, the con of that is if you need a lot of work in your case, the bill can really add up. Still, other lawyers will charge a reasonable flat fee. Now, the real advantage to this is that you know what you're getting into before your case starts. And this can be a really attractive option for people in foreclosure. Just be aware that typically in every fee agreement, any costs incurred by your lawyer, such as filing fees or transcripts, will be added onto the cost of your bill. So even if you pay a flat fee, if there are costs, typically those are added on. Now, the real question you should be asking, though, is what value can an attorney bring to your case? I mean, if your goal is to stay in your home, can an attorney affordably help you do that? Now, recently, a couple came into my office, and they were days away from foreclosure sale. They never contacted an attorney because they were afraid it was expensive. So afraid, in fact, that they tried everything that they could think of except call an attorney. They tried housing counselors. They tried their own internet research. They applied for modifications themselves and were denied. Well, just days before the sale, we were able to stop it. We filed an emergency motion and we were able to find flaws in the foreclosure procedure. Now, the results weren't typical, but we actually sued the foreclosure lender for violating several consumer protection laws. And we actually ended up getting that client a modified mortgage and having their mortgage lender pay their attorney's fees. Those results aren't typical, but they do happen. And the only real way you're going to know is to meet with an attorney. Find someone experienced in your area that can review your documents for you. You know, most attorneys now offer free consultations, so there really isn't a lot of risk. Meet someone you're comfortable with, have them review your foreclosure, and see what kind of value they can bring to your table. I think you might be surprised today that a lot of attorneys are more affordable than you think. And for the price of a couple mortgage payments, they might be able to help you stay in your home at a lower interest rate. And that's something that could save you a lot of money in the long run. Again, thanks for watching. I'm attorney Sean Mays, and I help people with foreclosure issues throughout Pennsylvania. If you have any questions about foreclosures or the law, please feel free to give me a call. We can set up a free initial consultation and go over your case. Hiring an attorney just might be more affordable than you think. You never know until you call. Thanks.